Aurora Protect is one of the most effective and proven AI-driven solutions in the market. In this video, we'll demonstrate how simple it is to install the agent on a single host. However, installation using software management tools is also just as simple. To install the agent, we need two things: the installer and the install token. One way to navigate to the installer page is directly from the Devices page. I can simply click the Add New Device button. The other option is to directly navigate to the Settings tab and then Deployments page. To download the correct installer, we need to add details to different fields. The OS field lists all the supported systems. In this case, we'll select Windows. Notice that there is no need to specify between Windows versions. The version field references the version of the Aurora agent to be downloaded. In this case, we'll select the latest one. Finally, the format field is in reference to the file type. Because we selected Windows, there is a Microsoft installer option available. I'll select an exe file and then hit Download. After we have the installer, we need to copy the install token. To get the token associated with our organization, navigate to the Settings tab and then select Application. Once I've copied the token, we're now ready to install the agent on our host. I've copied the installer to the desktop and simply need to double-click to launch. After launching, we'll be prompted to enter the install token. I'll select the default settings during the install process. After the agent has been installed, a new icon appears in the system tray. Right-clicking on the icon, then About, provides us with up-to-date agent details. We can also validate the installation back in the console. Navigate to the Assets page, then Devices. We see the new system listed in the device table. Clicking on the host name opens the device details related to that host. We now see that the status is online and prepared to protect the host from threats. Aurora Endpoint Security delivers powerful, AI-driven technology to protect against modern threats, and adding that level of protection to your organization is as easy as installing the agent. To learn more, visit us at arcticwolf.com.